Hello guys, I'm back with another awesome tutorial to educate you on what you've been struggling for a couple of months or couple of years now. So let me jump into my phone screen real quick and then I demonstrate what I want to do in today's video. So today's video is all about how to screenshot or take a screenshot on either your iPhone 6, iPhone 6 Plus, iPhone 7, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8, and iPhone 8 Plus. Those six iPhones that I just mentioned, this trick works perfectly for those iPhones. So what you're gonna be doing when you wanna take a screenshot using your iPhone, we have two methods of doing that. So the first method, let me take off my password real quick. Alright, let me raise my phone so that you guys can see from my screen. So when you want to take a screenshot using this mentioned iPhone I just said earlier on in my tutorial video, what you are going to be doing for the first time, you click on the cycle button, the button in the middle right here. You click there and then you click on the side button at the same time. So let's do that real quick. You click it once, come in, you click it, you hold it tightly and then you press it once. I hope you guys can see what just happened. That was how I used to take my screenshot using my iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 7, 7 Plus, and then 8 and 8 Plus. Real quick. For the second step, let's move on. If you want to take a screenshot with the main mentioned iPhones again, what you have to do real quick, you click on your settings app. There is my settings. So when you locate your settings, make sure you click on the settings app once. When it opens, what you are going to be doing for the second time, you look for the general on your iPhone real quick. After looking for the general, you click on the accessibility. When you click on the accessibility one more time, you need to look for, you have to scroll all the way down and then you look for assistive touch, which is right here, and then it's off, and then we are going to be turning it on right now. So let's click on that real quick. After clicking on the assistive touch, you guys can see from the screen it's off, and then what I have to do right now is to turn it on. So let me turn it on real quick. After you've turned it on, you will notice a pop-up, a little pop-up, which is the assistive touch on my iPhone, which you can move from one place to another. But we are not done with what you want to do. So after that, what you have to do next, you have to click on the single tap. Let's bring it back to none. As you guys can see from the screen, the single tap is on none. So what you have to do, the single tap, let me explain. The single tap means when you click on the button once, it's going to take a screenshot. So let's swipe all the way down and look for screenshots. Right here is the screenshot on my iPhone. Let's click over there real quick. So right now it has been marked. So what you are going to be doing, we have to go back and then you just click on the assistive touch once. I hope you guys can see what just happened. When I just click on it once, it took a screenshot automatically. So right now, let's go back again. For the custom action in the assistive touch, we have 3 steps right here. The first one is the single tap, and then we have the double tap, we have the long tap, the long press. So I'm going to walk you through the remaining 2, which is down here. So let's turn the single tap off real quick. Then let's continue with our double tap. Let's click over there and then let's also look for the screenshot right here, and then let's go back to our home screen. After going back to your home screen, what you have to do, you have to click on the assistive touch we've added to our screen. You have to double tap there twice. I hope you guys can see what just happened. when I double tap on the assistive touch, it took a screenshot automatically. So the last step is, let's go back again and then let's clear. Let's take the double tap to none, and then let's go back again real quick. Now we are using the long press, which is unknown. Let's click on the long press. So what we are going to be doing when you click on the long press for the third time, you have to look for screenshot again one more time. After looking for the screenshots, you just have to go back in, and then now we are not going to be tapping the assistive touch once or even double, but right now we are going to be long pressing because that's what we set on the iPhone. So let's do that real quick. Okay, I hope you guys can see when I long pressed my assistive touch, it just took a screenshot of my screen automatically. So right now let's go to my pictures and then let's see what we have there, whether it has been saved perfectly. So this is the first one I just saved right here, and this is the second one, this is the third one. So thank you guys for watching, and make sure you smash the like button, you smash the subscribe button, you like, you share to many people, to reach many people so that their problem can be also solved using this video. Thank you so much.